Hello everyone, this is not Tech. This is Binary Rookie, and today I'm going to show you how you can make real money in real time with binary option. Let me tell you, I'm not an expert, but this technique that I have learned from somewhere, I'm going to share this knowledge with you, and you guys can test things with this strategy. It's also called the martingale strategy, but I have sort of I'm using this strategy in my own way, not like the way people use the martingale strategy. So long story short, let me show you how you can make money on binary option based on pretty much like 80 to 85% prediction in your favor. As we know, the binary option trading is based purely on prediction, or the forex market business is based on prediction. The first thing is you're going to have to click on the link in the description, the first link in the description, which will link you to this chart from natdania.com. Once the chart opens, remember, you will have to open the chart in Internet Explorer, and you will be required to have Java installed in your PC, and then you will have to click on the finance chart, and when you do that, a chart will open. It will take some time since the Java application is loading, and now as you can see, the chart has loaded. Now you can detach this chart by clicking here. Once the chart is detached, bring it to center. Now the time period is 1 hour. Change it to 1 minute. Since we're going to be doing the 1 minute trades, so we will have to change the chart's time frame to 1 minute. So all these candles are equal to 1 minute time frame. This is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So each candle equals 1 minute. Now we will be required to have an indicator called Bollinger Bands. In order to have Bollinger Bands in this chart, click on Studies. Now here, as you can see, this is Bollinger Bands. Now the average is 20, leave it 20, and then on the standard deviation, click it and change it to 3. Click OK. As you can see, now we have 2 lines inserted of the Bollinger Bands in the chart, an upper line and a lower line. Now let's analyze this chart for a moment. As you can see, the candle movement is up and down, as you can see here. So the blue candle, when the euro goes higher against US dollar, since we're talking about the euro USD here, so if euro gains strength against US dollar, its price moves up and you see these blue candles. So here the blue candle has almost touched this blue line. This actually confirms that the next third or fourth or second candle is going to be a red candle. This is a reversal of this few minutes trades or uptrend. Now this is an uptrend of almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15 minutes. This is almost a 14 minutes, or after 15 minutes there's a downward trend. As you can see here, it's the downward trend, and then here you see the red candle has touched a lower Bollinger Band, and then as soon as it touched the lower Bollinger Band, the next candle was a blue candle. This could have been a winning trade. This is where you do a call option. Call option means you're predicting that in the next time frame, whether it's 1 minute or 1 hour or 15 minutes, the price will go up. Euro USD's price will go up. So this is your prediction. This pretty much confirms that the next minute is going to be a blue candle. a winning trade. As you can see here, again, although the price has not touched the blue candle, but it pretty much confirms a reversal in the form of a red candle. Again, a winning trade, but at this point you will be doing a put option, because you know that in the next minute, or the next 2 minutes or third minute, there is going to be a red candle. So based on this technique or this prediction, you can make money on binary option trading. Otherwise, if you're just jumping into this area and you're not sure what's happening, then you might lose all of your money. So this is pretty easy. That's what I call myself, a rookie binary option trader. Okay, and now we will have to, I'm sorry, I'm gonna need some tea. I'm gonna sip some tea while I'm talking to you guys. Just hold on. Okay, so now we minimize this. We click on Google Chrome and we open 24option.com. Now 24 Options, the world-renowned binary option trading platform. These people are really like serious when it comes to business. They are really a good company, and I'm not promoting them, but comparatively speaking, they are the best so far. There's not like a single website on the whole internet that is talking negative about 24 Options. The only setback, though, I think, is that the initial trade starts from $24, hence the name 24 Options. But I kind of like them, their whole interface. It's kind of laggy a bit, if you ask me, but their whole interface is kind of good, attractive. Okay, so since we're gonna go for Forex, click on short term. The short term tab will give you the option to trade 60 seconds trades, or to execute 60-second trades. After clicking here, click here and now select Forex. Click apply. Now in this list, the asset is going to be Forex related only the currency pairs. You can further filter these currencies by clicking on the Forex and then selected the one you want to trade on, and then click apply. Now since I haven't selected anything, so I haven't decided yet what to select. Now how do you decide which currency pair you should trade on right now? If you study the chart here, the distance between these two bands is pretty much close, so the market is pretty much like unpredictable right now. What we need is a position like this, where here it's pretty much confirmed, as you can see, that the market or the next trades are going to be the uptrend trades, or you're gonna be doing the call trades here. That's what they call it. But in 24 Options, they call it high low. Low means the price is gonna go low, high means the price is gonna go high. And in other brokers platforms, they call it put or call. Here they call it high and low. Okay, so we're gonna look for a currency pair that is going to be showing high volatility at the moment. Euro USD is not showing any volatility. No, we have missed this part. As you can see, we could have won this trade, but I was pretty much talking to you guys. No, uncertain. There's no candle formed. Uncertainty. GBP USD, let's see what happens. Now that's what I'm talking about. There's going to be pretty much a reversal here, but since the distance between the candles is not that much, so we're not sure. There has to be this distance has to be bigger than this. Like, as you can see, if it were at this position, if we were at this position, I would have entered trading. But here I'm not, because the lower band is pretty much close to the upper band. AUD USD, let's see what's in here. No. AUD CHF, that is Chinese Fin. No. We missed it though here. Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar. No. There's no volatility at the moment in all these currency pairs. Nope. Guys, this is your real money you're investing, so you have to be really careful. Now this is where I want to enter. Although the distance is pretty low, but we have seen consecutively for this 4 candlesticks. Now the prediction is that the 5th or the 6th candlestick is a definitely blue candlestick. That's what I want to catch. So Euro GBP, we have to be pretty quick. Click here, Euro GBP. This is where you find it. Oh my god, you have to be quick though. This is Euro GBP. I'm gonna go enter my $25 trade and go for a high. Now the first trade I have chosen is a $25 trade. Now leave this chart opened. As you can see, you see this candle. Let me put this on a side. Now you see a blue candle is being formed, but it cannot be confirmed that it's a reversal. We are looking, we want to catch the reversal of this 4 minutes trend. That's the point. And in case if we lose this trade, I'm gonna go for another trade. Now what is 25 multiplied by 3? That is 75. That's how I do it. 25 times 3 is equal to 75. And if we lose this trade, then I'm gonna go for another trade of $75. We didn't lose it, so we just made I don't know, 25, 42 minus 25, how much is that? Oh, my math sucks. 42 minus 25 equals 17. So we just made $17. Now we could go ahead and enter again. Now as you guys can see, we know that there were like consecutively 4 candles, and this candle touched the lower Bollinger Band. So what I did, I went for a high option, because obviously 80 or 90% of the time the 5th or the 6th candle and this after this or here, the 4th or the 5th or the 6th candle is a definitely blue candle, in case if you're talking about candles, and if it is the red candle is touching the lower Bollinger Band. In case if I lose this one, I'm gonna go for another trade of $75. $75. If I win the $75 trade, I'll be recovering from my $25 loss. And also, don't know what just happened. Let's look at the chart. Okay, so as you can see, wow, that's weird. What's with this? I don't know. But anyways, not to be worried. It's okay. The price has stopped to move, and it's moving again. Hold on. This is how you normally you should trade, by keeping the windows on side by side. Oh yeah. As you can see, there are like 9 seconds to go, and this trade is a winning trade. Though. Okay. So you made the return was $127, which means 25 plus 75 means $100, and you returned. They returned you $127, which means you made $27. You recovered your losses and you made $27. So in the previous 5 minutes we have made, I don't know, $40 to $50. That's pretty cool. Now we caught this trend. We kind of entered, although it was a bit late because I was talking. Normally I'm not that slow, but right now I'm holding this microphone in my hand and then talking to you guys. So that's how you enter trades. You just don't enter here, but you enter here. As you can see, the red candle has touched it. There's like a sudden price movement from here to here. That's a big move. That's a big candle. It has touched the line, and now you can see this or this, and then this one is a definitely winning trade. So this is how you roll. Again, let's search for another currency pair. Oh, is dollar Euro USD has moved cool. That's we missed it. You know, if I had entered at this position, I could have won this trade. Another $25 or $17 or $20, depending on your investment. Okay, it's okay. We can look for another USD JPY. Okay, and again we missed it here. The idea is to keep looking at charts. Okay, I might lose big amounts if I enter here, but let's give it a try. USD CHF, where is it? Here is it. USD CHF, apply. Okay, since we are entering the trade, so the option is definitely a high option. So the option is definitely a high option or a call option, because we know these candles have been touching this line. They haven't touched it though. This time here it has tried to touch, but then the next candle was a winning trade. Definitely if we had entered here, we would have been in the money. But since there's another red candle being formed, that's an obvious losing trade, so we're gonna go and prepare another trade. That is going to be a $75 of trade. But remember, as soon as this minute ends, that's where you have to enter. You don't enter in the middle. 2, 1, go. That's exactly what we want. We want to enter as soon as the time for this candle ends, and then there's a new candle formed. This is where you enter. Sorry, I've caught cold. Okay, now in case if we lose this trade, what's our next trade is going to be? 75 multiplied by 3, 225. Let's look at the chart for a moment. As you can see, there were like three red candles. One was pretty much close to the red line or almost touched it, but then the next candle was a blue candle. So this confirms your winning trade. We're not sure yet though. It's going to take another 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, bingo. So you are winning these trades based on following this strategy. It's really easy. I made a mistake by not noting what amount we had here when I opened when I started to record the screen. But as you can see, you can minus this total from where I started, and then you can tell how much I made. You can also comment your favorite strategy. If you are a trader, you can follow your favorite strategy, or you can follow this strategy. This is the knowledge that I'm sharing with you for free, but I would suggest you to go for the legitimate binary option traders or brokers. You don't just throw your money away at any company out there who claim to be having licensed from SISAC or whatnot. We don't know, but just go to the forums, go to these review websites, and do check them out, and do know who is who so that you don't lose your money. So 24 options so far has been really good. They're like amazing in terms of payments and everything. So do check them out, and if you make an account with 24 options, people will contact you and they will give you access to their platform, and they will give you a demo account that you can use to sort of test new strategies and new things so that you can become a successful trader. So that's it right now, and do comment below, and I will be coming up with more videos of my live market trading. So until then, take care guys, have fun.